very nice actually. It's good to see our Indian fighters actually fighting, and it's all a real fight. And actually thanks to this Raj Kundra and Sanjay Dutt that they brought this sport to our country, because हमारे I think blood में बहुत है fighting का.
So sports enthusiastic you are. I mean,
Yeah,
what kind of sports do you like?
I love playing football, and I love rock climbing. I love all these adventures, and even boxing. I'm a huge fan of boxing and wrestling, and even mixed martial art. I wanted to actually learn this as well.
What was the uniqueness of this kind of event?
The uniqueness is it's real. It's not like it's not staged. It's not pre-planned. It's whatever happens, it's happened there. अगर किसी को जोर से punch लगता है तो वो knockout हो जाता है. So that's the originality.
Basically, it's a cricket obsessed country, India.
Yeah.
So how about this kind of concept will really survive or something?
No, it will, because what happened हमारी country में cricket के अलावा कुछ ज़्यादा वो platforms नहीं है. But as I said before, Mr. Raj Kundra and Mrs. Sanjay Dutt, they brought this new platform for our fighters, so that जितने ज़्यादा हमारे पास platforms होंगे उतना ज़्यादा sports भी मतलब आगे बढ़ेगा और sports भी उतना खेलेगा.
You parting of an actor. For an actor, how it's important to be an athlete as such?
It's very important, man. We have to do our stunts, we have to dance, we have to even our shifts. What we जो हमारा shooting का shifts होता है, that's like a minimum 8 to 10 hours, and that's non-stop. So if you are not physically strong or physically, physically good, then it's very good.
And lastly, how is the promotion of it actually being done right now? I mean, what are the other planning for the movie? Promotion कैसे होने वाली है अभी?
अभी ठीक चल रहा है. As आप देख सकते हैं, कल भी मैं आपसे मिला, आज और मिल रहा हूँ. So it's growing day by day, and we are getting a positive response. Thank you.
आप कौन से चैनल से?
How did you find this event as? Camera look, please. Tell about the event, man.
I'm at SFL and I'm really enjoying it. Look at the energy. It's all packed studio here, and everybody is into that sportsmanship right now.
So how far is sports enthusiastic you are? How do you love sports besides?
I love sports. I practice a lot of sports myself. I really love sports.
Okay. But it's a glamour kind of Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty being involved. So besides sports, it's a glamorous kind of event. What do you comment of make on it?
But in fact, even in cricket, IPL, there are a lot of Bollywood celebs who have been promoting. So it's about the youth, it's about the energy, it's about the... it's all about fun to me.
But India being a cricket-obsessed country, how far this kind of concept is going to survive?
Well, everything cannot be cricket, and there got to be variety. And for the fact that India's only real fight league is this, and that's the only league which practices MMA.
There's something about the promotion of this actually, means besides giving interviews, what are you doing? Any roadshow, any kind of things?
No, roadshow we were just talking about. We are planning for the coming week. Tomorrow I'm going to Gujarat for the promotions. And yeah, we're getting a very good response because a lot of people are calling up to invite us to promote also.
And something different in the promotion campaign, something?
Well, we've just started. It's day 3 today. So I have been doing press conferences and interviews. And day 3 I'm here. So let's see another